Hi everyone, I'm Francesca from Journal Joy. Today I want to share with you how to create this journal. It has a soft cover and it's almost naked. The closure is removable and is perfect for writing and journaling. I use the latest kit from Vectoriadesigns. The link is under this video and you can find the timestamps and the material list in the description box as usual. First, I want to show you how to print the kit on fabric. This is a piece of muslin, a type of cotton, very thin. And you can add this cotton onto your page with some masking tape. And then you can put it into your printer. I have an inkjet, it is an Epson ecotank. And this is the result. Now you can cut or tear your fabric. Now you have to cut a piece of fabric a little larger than your page. And here you can see that I already prepared my signatures. I have 12 group of 2 pages. And here I prepare 3 templates. They are made with cardboard. The exact measurements will appear on the screen in 2 seconds. And for now we are going to use only the first one, the one that we have to use for the binding. And now we can add the fabric onto our template. You can use a fabric tack or flash bond, for example. Here I'm using my finger because in this way the glue will not appear through the fabric. And now make the holes with a punch. Make the holes also for every signatures. For the binding you can use wax thread or cotton thread. And here is a scheme for the binding. cut the thread and make a knot. Repeat for every signature. And now we have our block of pages. And now for the cover you have to prepare 2 templates, 2 pieces of cotton, 1 piece of muslin, a piece of felt, and now you can use your template to mark where the pages will go. For the inside cover you have to sew or glue together 1 piece of cotton and the felt. And for the outside cover you can sew or glue 1 piece of cotton and 1 piece of muslin. You can use some pins to hold everything together while you are sewing. But I'm not a professionist and my cover will be very wonky, but that's okay. It's stylish in my opinion. It's an elegant grungy style for me. As you can see, I also sew in the middle where the pages will be for the inside cover. And for the outside cover, no, because we are going to do some collage, some patchwork work, so it doesn't matter. And here I'm showing you the work that we are going to do. And for a very strong structure, you can use your template here and here. Actually, I will use only one of this template on the right side, but choose what is right for you, okay? And now you can add your block on the inside cover. You can also use some cheesecloth in the middle. In this way, the binding will be stronger and beautiful. And now we can add some pockets or interactive elements on the right and on the left. The measurements are the same of the pages, and you can also use only glue or sewing. Of course, use what you have and what you like. Now it's time to do a patchwork on our cover. Here is some example that I hope that inspires you, and you can use glue or the sewing machine. As you can see, my style of sewing is very wild, but do what you like, okay? That's my style. And now for the front cover, I want to use this page as a template and make some collage on top of it. To hold everything together, you can use a stapler, and then if you want, you can use the sewing machine. Now it's time to put everything together. I have my topper ready. A page from the kit. And some sari silk for the closure. Here I changed my plan because I don't want to use the template on the left, and I want to create a pocket on the back. So that's why I'm going to add only this template on the right side. To create a pocket for the back, use the glue in this way. And now use glue only on the front of your cover. In this way we have a hollow back book binding that is great to add more flexibility to our pages. For our final touches, use the sari silk to close our book. And now add the page in this way, so we have a pocket and the sari silk will be covered and removable. Actually, we have also a flip. And now you can add your topper. And it's done. Thank you for watching. Bye!